Hey everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about drop shipping with the Shopify, how it is working and how you can find your product on Shopify. So if you are thinking of doing e-commerce on Shopify, so you can start drop shipping. Which is quite easy and you can make revenue from it, like dollars, pounds, and mainly in Australian dollar. So if you're looking for some drop shipping sites, then you can go for Shopify. So it's easy and you can easily make the store. Basically, you should make your landing page and start your Shopify dropshipping. Dropshipping lets you sell product by using a supplier that hold the inventory and ship the product for you. You pay the wholesale price to the supplier while controlling the price that your customers see in your Shopify store. You don't need to hold any inventory or ship item yourself. So Shopify is the undisputed leader when it comes to e-commerce drop shipping, with website plans starting at just $29 per month. It's an economical choice for startups and small businesses. Shopify even offer a 14 days free trial. So completely risk free. If you want to choose this is a green signal for you that it's completely risk free. So is dropshipping on Shopify free? So first let me check this. So get access to the tools and tricks you need to start your online dropshipping store. No credit card requires. So second, how much you can make with Shopify from dropshipping. So successful dropshipping business can make anywhere between $50 to $5,000 profit in daily. This hang on stocking high demand product, having enough profit margin, top shelf marketing and sales, and recurring purchases. So is dropshipping worth in 2021? Yeah, is dropshipping is more profitable and you can make money from it.